everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and today I don't know what that was because I'm the only one here. Anywho, scary. What was I saying? Oh yeah, today's video, I'm so distracted now. Yes, today's video I'm really excited about is going to be a new series that I will be going through several of my larger eyeshadow palettes, and I will be showing how to use them to do a more like classic traditional 50s pinup style makeup, which is what I have on right now. And then I'm going to show how to do a more like super modern eyeshadow look with it. So just kind of trying to show some of the versatility that some of these palettes have that are out. So today's video is going to be featuring the thebalm Nude Beach. This is one of my favorite palettes. I did a mostly matte eye look with this. It's actually really simple, so it doesn't take very long. I kind of hovered over on this side of the palette today for this look, and then for my other look I will be kind of hovering more over this side of the palette, although this would also make very pretty like retro-y vintage makeup. I just kind of figured like that more sort of traditional pinup style makeup kind of went with the warmer brown side over here. So I hope you enjoy this. This isn't going to be a voiceover. It will be some like text over, and everything that I use and that's on my face and the specific eyeshadows that I use, I will have that all listed down below. So please be sure to give this a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so you can click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Make sure you always know when I upload. Side note, for this look I am cutting out the liner and mascara portion because the eyeliner, even though it looks okay when I look straight on, it kind of got away with me during the application process. So yeah, I figured it's better to not show you. It wasn't a very good winged liner day. So anyways, that's it for me. I hope you enjoy this, and if you want to see these looks, just keep watching.
that is it for this look. So that is my 2 looks using the Balm's Nude Beach palette. So I kind of dipped a little bit more into this side. I didn't do anything super dramatic with either look, but I really like this look, and I think it kind of plays to a more like modern makeup look. Again, I was struggling with my eyeliner today, not gonna lie. So I cut out the eyeliner and mascara. Part of the reason also that I did that, and I think that I just want to have full disclosure, since going on all of the medications that I'm on, my eyes have become really super sensitive. And even with my skincare, like some skincare products that I was using before I can't use anymore, and with my makeup, there's certain makeup, especially liners and especially mascaras, that I'm not able to use anymore. They just really irritate my eyes. So right now my liner and mascara are not from a cruelty-free brand, and I tried to sort of, I don't know, go with as an independent company as I could, and sort of like the lesser of the evils as far as a company not being cruelty-free. Basically, this company is against animal testing, but they still haven't pulled their products out of China, and a lot of the testing in China, it's changing a lot, and so it's kind of like almost there. So I don't love having to use this one right now. I mean, I actually love the liner and the mascara. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, it's like my like go-to favorite. But I do wish that it was really technically cruelty-free. So anyways, that is also partially why I cut out that area. I will list down below who it is, but I will put an asterisk, and it's not cruelty-free, but it's the only thing that I can use on my eyes right now that don't make it itch. And believe me, I spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on mascara and liners, and they're all kind of doing the same thing right now. Even like hypoallergenic sensitive formulas are just, I don't know what it is right now, but for whatever reason this one isn't irritating my eyes, so that's what I'm using. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed the first in this new series, and I'm excited to show you another one next month using another one of my palettes and doing a more classic vintage pinup kind of makeup look, and then doing a more modern look. And they'll probably get, the modern ones will probably get more adventurous as we move along through my eyeshadow palettes. So that is it for me. I hope you're all doing really great, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.